English words. Animals. Dog. Dog. The friendly dog wags its tail when happy. The friendly dog wags its tail when happy. Cat. Cat. The cat sleeps all day and plays at night. The cat sleeps all day and plays at night. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant uses its trunk to drink water. The elephant uses its trunk to drink water. Lion. Lion. The lion roars loudly and rules the jungle. The lion roars loudly and rules the jungle. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger moves silently while hunting. The tiger moves silently while hunting. Rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit jumps fast and loves eating carrots. The rabbit jumps fast and loves eating carrots. Giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe eats leaves from tall trees. The giraffe eats leaves from tall trees. Monkey. Monkey. The monkey swings from tree to tree easily. The monkey swings from tree to tree easily. Fox. Fox. The clever fox hides well in the forest. The clever fox hides well in the forest. Bear. Bear. The big bear sleeps all winter in its cave. The big bear sleeps all winter in its cave. Test yourself. Dog. Cat. Elephant. Lion. Tiger. Rabbit. Giraffe. Monkey. Fox. Bear. Can you complete the sentences? The dog runs to greet its owner. The cat climbs the tree easily. The elephant sprays water with its trunk. The lion rests under a big tree. The tiger has orange fur with black stripes. The rabbit hides in a small hole. The giraffe has a very long neck. The monkey eats bananas and plays. The fox moves quietly through the snow. The bear catches fish in the river. Be the first to watch my next video. Click subscribe and the bell icon.